Good morning and welcome to the CBS AM debrief. I'm David Combe. It's Thursday the 19th of August, just coming up just past 8:30 AM. US market action saw the bid by BHP turn hostile for Potash Corp, and the intention there is to bypass the board and appeal directly to the shareholders. So that's helped lift the whole agricultural sector in the US, and consequently the market did fairly well, closing up, albeit slightly. The other results that came out were the who was it exactly? Let's just check here. It was, of course, retailing giant Walmart, with the earnings there topping the estimates. So another factor supportive of the market. So let's have a look at exactly what did happen. And we saw the Dow up 9.69, the S&P 500 1.62, and the Nasdaq 6.26. In Europe, FTSE was down 47, the CAC down 15, and the DAX down 20. All of those markets had strong 1.5% plus gains yesterday, so possibly reasonable to see that they come off just slightly here. And in our region, futures are suggesting an opening here of down 9 for the SPY 200, the Hang Seng down 132, and the Nikkei down 50. Looking at where the commodities ended up at, we had West Texas crude at 75.27, which is down 15 cents. Coffee at 177.80. Corn at 433 1/4. Cotton at 83.27. Oats 289 3/4. Rough rice $11.02. Down 14, and we continue to remain in that with that rice warrant there, hoping to get set on the next little blip up, but it's taking a while to do it. Soybeans, $10.30 3/4. Sugar, 19.60. Wheat, 688 3/4. Copper, 336.10, and then gold currently down 40 cents to 1,231, and silver at $18.45, which is down nearly 20 cents. Now to the currency pairs, the euro is buying 1.2852 US dollars, pound 1.5603, US dollars buying 85.42 yen, and US was buying, the Aussie was buying 89.80 US cents, and the Swiss franc 1.0426. Take a look now at our economic calendar for Thursday. Really very little out until this afternoon, where we start to get some European and finally some Canadian data with UK Bank of England minutes, German producer prices rather, Swiss trade balance, UK retail sales, and then Swiss ZEW survey expectations, and finally Canadian leading indicators of the month of July. Let's take a look at our Falcon and a couple of trades that we've been watching. The first one is the US dollar yen. We have a number of clients who are working stops down here at 85.10, and it's come reasonably close to that, but most clients are in from 85.50, looking for 85 to 625 to the high side, so back up. Let's move this application out of the way. So back up near here at 86.25. Jonathan has suggested the possible ultimate upside, they might even be up around 88. So prepared to be a little bit patient there, and the trade works out. That could be quite a nice result. Let's just go back here and have a look at the daily on the US dollar yen, so we can get a bit of a feel for what's happened in the past. Obviously, we've come down to this very similar level in late 2009. So we've got the makings of a double bottom here. We just need to see this rounding off, or continue to round off, and then hopefully that's the reversal we're looking for. Always a bit difficult with these things to actually pick the bottom. Another one I've been looking at is in the equity space, and that's CSL on the ASX, the old Commonwealth Serum Laboratories, and came out with some quite good numbers yesterday, but promptly got sold off. And certainly to my mind, this level here, I mean, there's always the possibility it will continue to come off, but I think you could be reasonably comfortable that you're buying into a quality company with quite a defensive stock as well, and the sell-off might have been a little bit overdone, and we'll see support at this level. Obviously, failing that, we're going to be looking down here in the 30s somewhere. But if it does bounce off this level, we'll obviously be happy to see that. If not, we can have a reasonably tight stop anywhere along here and see how that works out. Just have a look here at rough price. Continuing to see these, see the price action work reasonably constructively, albeit with quite high volatility. So a little bit of a white knuckle ride there. We'll just have to use the hope and pray trading method, and hope that gets up to the level that will allow us to get out of that warrant for a quite handy profit. That's probably about all I wanted to cover on the trading section there. So at that point, I think I'll sign off, and we'll get stuck into the day and see what happens. Good luck, and thanks as always for watching. We'll speak again soon. Bye for now.